Hi guys, so today I am going to film a vlog. It's been a while since I've done one, it's been about 4 months. And I'm just getting ready to go out for the day. We're going to Bolton Abbey, me and my boyfriend, and we have to get ready for 1 o'clock. It's now 11:30, 12 o'clock. And I'm really excited. We're going to have a really cute weekend. So I need to do my makeup. I've just put some highlight on, not highlight, some bronzer, but it looks a bit muddy on camera. And I'm going to do my hair. So tomorrow we're going to the movies as well. And we're going to watch A Star is Born and Bohemian Rhapsody, and I really can't wait to see them. Especially A Star is Born. I adore Lady Gaga. So we'll be vlogging that as well. Before I go, I just wanted to show you my nails. Can you see there? A love heart on French tips. I've got the kind of stiletto shape nail as well. And I absolutely cannot get enough of these nails. They're absolutely beautiful. Can you see better there? I'll obviously show you them better in my sit down videos that I do. So yeah, better get ready. So I'm all ready now, and I have put my makeup on. I just need to decide on a lip. I really don't know what to pick. I'll just check, see which one I've got. No, it's not that one. Oh, a mess. Where did I put my ready one? Just put you here because I cannot find it for the life of me. Found it now. It's this one here that I'm gonna wear. It's the Mamonde Creamy Tint Colour Balm Intensive in #1 Bouquet Nudie. And I'm just gonna put this on because I love how it comes out. Let's put everything away. And I'm just gonna put that lipstick on. The weather is absolutely freezing today, and we're gonna set off at about 1:30. What else have I got to say to you? That's pretty much it, I think. I'm just gonna have something to eat and I'm gonna set off. Hi guys, so this is my outfit. So I have a black oversized jumper, my Gucci belt and my leather leggings. Then I've just curled my hair. So there we have it. I'm all ready for the day. Quite simple, but oh yeah, and I've got my chokers on too. My nails are so sick. It's not focusing. There we go. So I will see you in a bit. Outfit of the day. Hi guys, so we've just set off now, and my boyfriend's just going in to get me some water from the shop because I'm so thirsty. I'm gonna get there in about an hour and a half. So the weather is really dull. I don't know if you can see outside, but I really can't wait to get there. It's gonna be really good. And yeah, that's it. That's all I've got to report really. I'm really excited for Bolton Abbey. I'll show you when we get there what it's like. It's like a big firework display. I don't like the effect of this camera. It's better. Yeah, it's a big firework display, and there's hot dog stands and everything like that. There's music and alcohol. So I'm really excited. My face looks like a big blow up fish. So yeah, I hope it doesn't chuck it down. seriously can't wait to get my hair done. Yeah, I'm just sat in the car park now. I've done my hair really, really nice today. I love it. It's really, really curly. Because I actually could be bothered to do it today. And I'm wearing my leather leggings and some boots, my Chanel bag. Hi guys, so we're just going for something to eat at the Fat Badger in Harrogate. So we're at a really, really posh... Chris, stop looking at me. Hi guys, so we're at the Fat Badger in Harrogate and we're going to have a bite to eat before we go to Bolton Abbey. It's absolutely beautiful in here. It's too awkward, isn't it? Why is it so awkward?
I have no idea.
Because you're here.
I'm looking at here. Need to get some Christmas decorations for us, don't we?
So pretty. Christmas is okay. Yeah.
That's nice.
That's gorgeous.
It's nice stuff here, isn't it?
It's very eclectic, isn't it? Boutique-y. Look at that. What is that?
That's good.
Tesco. What's this bag? Adventure awaits.
Travel back.
Is that actual Chanel or not? Hey guys, so now we're gonna make our way to Bolton Abbey. Just going past Harrogate, all the shops. I'm really, really excited to go in. It's about it's about 6 o'clock now. So we're going to walk into Bolton Abbey. Is it security things?
Yeah.
So excited. It looked lovely, didn't it, when we first came? Yeah. All the lights and stuff.
Well,
Very dark, you can't see much.
This is Dry Stone Radio. Keep on moving on anyway.
time to light the fire. And there's a big haystack over that side, if you can see. I've got my cider here. So exciting.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm being asked to ask you to help us. Could you all please move back away?
In the queue, 3 hours.
Just queuing up for a big fat sausage.
Are we ready, Bolton Abbey? Are we ready for the best firework display? Please count down with me now from 10 to 0. We're ready on the 3rd of November for fireworks night. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 1, 0.
Just like soaking through the floor. Buried in the bones as an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, still in your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming soon. This moment, don't care what comes after. You're through a dream, can't you see? Getting closer, just surrender and over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. And your blood, your passion, there's something bigger than the brick of every wall. It's holding on. So tell me, do you want to go? We're traveling on the night. There's a lot of ways around it tonight. It's everything you ever want. It's everything you ever need. It's here right in front of you. This is where you want to be. It's everything you ever want. It's everything you ever. Hold your breath. Make a wish. Count to 3. Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look. Hold on to that feeling. Street light, keep alive. Don't stop. Hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life.
So, the fireworks, the bonfire, where do I start? So we went to the bonfire night and it was amazing, but I went to the hot dog stand and they gave me wall sausages instead of hot dogs, which was ridiculous. Then, because of the fire, the wind, the guy on the microphone was talking every 5 seconds about how we needed to move from the bonfire for safety hazards. That ruined it. And then they had to cut half of the bonfire towards the end. They had to cut it to finish it because of the wind. And then I wanted to get some sweets. They'd shut down the store because of the fire and the smoke. So, just a bag of shit now, really, isn't it?
I enjoyed it.
I did, but I don't think they're supposed to give you wall sausages when you ask for hot dogs. No, it's a hot dog stand, not a sausage stand. So now we're going to go home. And the lights are off. So yeah, ruined. My time ruined. Hey guys, so today's the next day and I'm just putting my makeup on now. Sorry I didn't update you last night. I just got home and I was completely shattered, so I just crashed out. We're going to see Bohemian Rhapsody and A Star Is Born a bit later on today. I'm just doing my makeup now. I've had to take my extensions out because my hair was just needing to be refreshed. So I've taken them out. I'm going to let it breathe for a week and then going to bleach my hair and then put my new extensions in when they arrive, which is in about 2 or 3 days. So I feel really bald, to be honest, with my hair now. It just looks really, really short. It's a bob. But I need to do it because my hair is in such bad condition. Not bad condition, it just needs a break. So I'm just gonna finish off my face, do my makeup, my bronzer, my eyebrows, all that, and then do something with my hair. I think I might just stick it up like this, but obviously it'll be dry. And I'll check back with you a bit later on. Hi guys, so we're just getting ready to go to the movies now. I've just got my hair back, it's still a bit wet. Just wearing an oversized grey jumper, some coral lipstick, and I'll just show you my outfit as well. This is my outfit. I've just got these kind of scallop pointy shoes, my black leggings, there's my jumper there, and a pink scarf. And this is just my bag. My bag is like a bucket bag, and we've got all the treats in here. Popcorn. Got lots of sweets here too. So I've just got a massive hot dog with crispy onions. I was really, really hungry. It looks amazing. That was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Took a while to get into it though, didn't it, I thought?
We can get a cookie.
Oh, I left my drink in there, didn't I?
I thought you finished it.
No. There's only a bit left. Shit.
I assumed you'd finished it. To commit suicide, he was 13 years old.
Yeah, I saw that.
He tried to hang himself to a fan, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, that's what he did in the garage. And just show through the window.
I
Why
couldn't-
was he swinging?
I just thought he shut the garage and I don't know.
Well, watch the cameras pointing at the garage door for...
Yeah, I saw that with the dog outside, but I didn't see him hanging.
And then, yeah, just decided to get married on that day. You're thinking it's...
You got married when?
On that day.
Well, it's a bit random.
Why not?
Seen them before.
Yeah, we used to have one in the garden.
Touch them, Chris.
Oh, what's that? Go into a ball.
What do you mean?
They get into a ball.
Try then.
I'm trying. Something to throw next to it. Don't know if I'll do it. No. No, it's not do it.
It's right on top of it.
No, I don't want to do that. It's cool though, isn't it?
God. Hedgehog. Where's the face? Oh, look at the face. Oh my Why are they always so still?
That's what it's nice.
Oh, how cute. Hey guys, so we've just got back and had such a great day watching Star is Born and Bohemian Rhapsody. Such amazing, amazing movies. Absolutely shattered. So I'm just going to upload this video, edit it first, and go take a shower and just chill tonight. So I hope you really enjoyed watching our vlog. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think of the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. I'm just going to show you the back of my hair because I don't think you've seen it. Can you see? It's really difficult. There we go. Actually really, really long.